plugin we built for AGBI. This is a content analysis tool that identifies key things or entities in your content and stores that information, allowing you to build interesting functionality with this data. So I've created a demo article here. The plugin has identified several entities in the content, and they're shown down here in the bottom right in this panel. So these are some companies, some locations, a city or a country that are talked about in the article. And alongside that, it shows the relevance score. So this shows kind of how good of a match these entities are. And so we can see that, you know, this Flynas company is a very, very strong match. This article is about that company and it's highly relevant. The entities are all stored along with a bit of extra metadata. So what is that entity? So is it a company, an organization, a person, that kind of thing. The plugin is very bare bones. It doesn't actually do anything more than this automated tagging. However, it provides a really solid foundation for developers to build on. So the plugin actually uses TextRaiser. TextRaiser is a natural language processing service, and they have an API. And you can test this out by going to their demo, their live demo, and you just analyze some content. You can throw in some of your content to see what kind of information it's going to find. This example one, you can see that it's identified some companies, some organizations, some other things that are, you know, locations, but also years, concepts such as money, or the concept of a bailout. So this is one of the big challenges here, is that it actually identifies a huge amount of content, and kind of making sense of this is and making sure we don't have sort of too much information is one of the key things. By default, the plugin just imports everything. However, like, the plugin also provides quite a lot of filtering options, and I'll jump onto those in a minute. Just while I'm talking about TextRaiser, I should just note that it is a paid service, but they offer 500 free queries per day within an account, which is more than enough for a lot of sites, even those generating quite a lot of content in day-to-day use. So you maybe would only need to upgrade if you're migrating a large volume of existing content. A plugin kind of caches the results effectively, so it only actually hits the API if you make any changes. So the settings panel for the plugin allows you to set up some allow and block lists on entities, and also filters on the entity types and DBpedia types. So in this example, I've just set it up to match kind of a few different things. So city, continent, person, politician, and company. So this is going to, match a few things, and it's going to filter out a lot of those low quality results that I'm not really interested in tagging the content with. Also, one of the most important settings is the ability to set thresholds for confidence and relevance. I've set these pretty low, just above the kind of baseline, just to filter out the kind of long tail of low quality matches. But you can adjust these based on the needs of your site. Although the plugin doesn't expose anything on the front end, it opens up powerful possibilities. For example, you can query all of the posts about a specific company or entity, and then make use of the relevance scores to filter the results and ensure high quality results. So that's an overview of the plugin. It provides a robust framework for analyzing content and leveraging metadata to improve content management and querying. Whilst it's pretty bare bones out of the box, the possibilities for building on top of it are vast. Thanks for watching.